Hello guys, hope we are all doing well, fine and wonderful. In today's tutorial video, we are looking at how to make payment on both. Making payment on both is one of the easiest thing. We make payment to both in order to make our balances positive. So this is how you make payment on both. You first of all tap on your today's earning. Over there you can see your weekly earnings. After that, beneath it you can see your balance. You tap on the balance to see the amount that you owe both. So after tapping on your balance, you will see the amount that you owe both. You tap on it, or you tap on the pay to both in order to make payment to both. Over there you type in your mobile number, then you select the service provider. So even if you type in the number, the app will detect your service provider. So you tap on the pay. Please authorize the payment of 3 cedis. So you just have to enter your pin in order to make payment to both. So you tap on the send, and that is it. You have successfully make payment on both. This is the easiest and the simplest way that you can make payment to both without any difficulties. Thanks once again for watching this video. As you can see, the deduction has been made. It looks like it takes longer than expected. Please wait whilst we are looking for your payment, so the payment is done, so you can return to the merchant to see whether your payment is successful. So your payment is successful. In instances that it doesn't reflect, it takes up to 2 working days in order for it to reflect. Thanks once again for watching this video. Kindly like, comment and share. So let's just check our balance and see whether it has reflected. So this is the simplest way. Thanks once again. Okay. So you can see that your balance is 0.00. That means the payment has been made or done successfully.